back to another edition of Giving Handies on Sunday. It's not Sunday, it's Monday, and it's pre-celebration party jitters. So, ooh, knife. What are we doing with the knife? I got a package. Fortunately, said package has a hole in it. So, what's in said package? Said package is from a place. Again, it's a nice piece of junk. Speed Cube Shop card. And booby wrap. We got things need to be unwrapped. So, first up, we got cubes. We got the UnBoxing Tiger Eye. I don't know anything about this, but it actually looks cooler than what it did in the picture. So, there's that. Then we have a Meilong. Mofang Jiaoxi Meilong Peer Mix. Little Magic Peer Mix. We have a mini Tiger from UnBoxing. Ooh, we got a bag. I might be able to repurpose that bag. We'll put it over here. We have a Monster Go mirror block. That's for my birthday tomorrow. Store stuff. You gotta love the store stuff. Scraper. We have a Z Cube. Looks a little different from the other one. We'll have to look at it. Chi 2x2x3 or 3x3x2? 2x2x3. Or 2x3x3. Okay, I don't know. We have a Pander. We have a rounded Peer Mix. That's for my birthday. I think that's the UnBoxing Cloud right there. Z Cube Penrose. Chi Barrel Cube. Pretty cool logo right there. Store's gonna be stocked, guys. Ooh, and look, another guy. Ooh, Monster Go. 3x3. Oh, it ran right out of my hand. Ran right out of my hand, boys. Little Magic Mega Minx. YJ. Lucky Cat. Fortune Cat, I mean. Another testing puzzle. GE Sculpted Mega Minx. GE 2x2x3. Man, there's a lot of new puzzles coming in the store. We have a Little Magic Square 1. Maylong Mirror Cube. Little Magic Scube. See my huge stack over here? We're posted deep. The UnBoxing treasure box for my collection. Little Magic 3x3. Little Magic 2x2. It's all in there. Woo, box worth. All right, let's see this new stuff here we got from there we go. We got some dope Martian. We have El Lunaire. Oh, it's a little loud in here. Bagoo. El Stardustaroni. And what's left? El Solar. All right, ladies and germs, that is all show for the unboxing. A lot of new dope stuff in there. Less than 10 minutes. I mean, now you can go about your day. You just watched a dope unboxing and got to see this handsome face. So I'm gonna get out of here, get pictures and whatnot sent over to the Snapchat. So don't forget to follow Kevix Cuber on Facebook, Zenfu on Facebook, Kevix Cuber on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Yes. Go do it. Bugger off. Bye.